What if I told you that sojourns can remove 70% of one of your vital organs and it can grow back? Not heal, not scar, not compensate, but actually regrow. Inside your body right now is an organ with a biological ability so extraordinary it almost sounds fictional. An organ that can rebuild itself after massive injury. An organ that quietly detoxifies your blood, regulates your metabolism, stores energy, produces life-saving proteins, and when damaged, can launch one of the most powerful regenerative responses in human biology. That organ is your liver. Here, we uncover how it performs the impossible. The liver is the largest solid internal organ in your body. Weighing about 1.5 kilograms, it sits beneath your rib cage on the right side of your abdomen. Every single minute, nearly 1.5 liters of blood flow through it. It filters toxins, processes nutrients, breaks down alcohol, produces bile, stores glucose, synthesizes clotting factors, balances cholesterol, regulates hormones. It is your biochemical control center. And it does all of this through millions of specialized cells called hepatocytes, the true architects of regeneration. Most organs cannot replace lost tissue. The heart forms scar tissue. Brain cells rarely regenerate. Kidneys have limited repair capacity. But the liver is different. If up to 70% of it is surgically removed in a procedure called partial hepatectomy, the remaining 30% can regrow to restore the liver's original mass within weeks. It does not regrow the exact missing shape like a starfish growing a limb. Instead, the remaining cells expand and multiply until the total functional mass is restored. This process is called compensatory hyperplasia, and it begins almost immediately. The instant liver tissue is lost, the body detects a dramatic shift. Blood flow pressure changes, chemical gradients alter, inflammatory signals activate. Within hours, immune cells release cytokines, including tumor necrosis factor alpha and interleukin 6. These molecules act like emergency alarms. They prime the hepatocytes, pushing them out of their resting state. Normally, liver cells are stable and quiet, but now they prepare for division. The regeneration clock has started. Next comes the surge of growth factors. Hepatocyte growth factor, epidermal growth factor, transforming growth factor alpha. These bind to receptors on hepatocytes and activate powerful intracellular signaling pathways. DNA replication begins. Cells that have not divided in months, sometimes years, suddenly re-enter the cell cycle. Within 24 hours, liver cells begin dividing. By day 3, cellular proliferation reaches peak intensity. Hepatocytes multiply rapidly. Then bile duct cells divide. Then endothelial cells. Then supporting connective tissue cells. The entire microarchitecture rebuilds in coordinated precision. It is not chaotic growth. It is controlled biological engineering. Within 7 days, the liver has regained much of its lost mass. Within 2 to 3 weeks, functional volume is largely restored. And here's the astonishing part. The liver does not grow endlessly. It knows when to stop. Once the original liver to body weight ratio is re-established, anti-growth signals activate. Transforming growth factor beta rises. Cell division slows, then stops. The organ returns to metabolic balance, perfectly measured, perfectly regulated. But what if hepatocytes are too damaged to divide? In severe injury, the liver activates a secondary defense system. Hepatic progenitor cells, sometimes called oval cells, awaken. These stem-like cells can differentiate into new hepatocytes or bile duct cells. They are a biological backup generator. This secondary pathway is slower, but it represents an evolutionary survival mechanism. The liver is built to endure. However, this regenerative power has limits. When injury is acute, such as surgery or temporary toxin exposure, regeneration thrives. But when injury is chronic, daily alcohol abuse, viral hepatitis, long-term fatty liver disease, the story changes. Repeated inflammation leads to fibrosis. Scar tissue forms. Healthy architecture becomes distorted. Blood flow is disrupted. Eventually, cirrhosis develops, and scar tissue cannot regenerate like healthy hepatocytes. The regenerative engine stalls. The once resilient organ becomes stiff and nodular. Powerful, but not invincible. Today, scientists are pushing this biological phenomenon even further. Researchers are growing liver organoids in laboratories. Bioengineers are developing scaffold structures to rebuild damaged tissue. Gene therapy aims to correct regenerative signaling. Artificial liver support systems are under development. The liver's natural regenerative blueprint is guiding the future of regenerative medicine. Inside your body right now is an organ capable of rebuilding itself after catastrophic loss. An organ that works silently, relentlessly, faithfully. The liver does not ask for recognition, it simply regenerates. But while it can regrow, it cannot survive endless damage. Its power is extraordinary. Its resilience is unmatched. But its strength depends on how you treat it, because even the organ that grows back has its limits.